Libraries, and today we are at Muedlich Tea Shop in Saluda having a tea party. So this week we do have a take and make kit for you to pick up at Saluda or Columbus Library, and it has a little teacup in it and a tea bag so you can make your own tea and you can decorate your teacup with some crayons and stickers. So make sure to pick one of those up, and also come check out Muedlich and have your own delicious tea party. So we're going to read some books today, and we're going to start with Angelina, Ballerina, and the Tea Party. On a sunny day in Chipping Cheddar, Angelina was planning a tea party. She invited all her friends. She chose fancy teacups and dishes. Her friend Alice came by to help. They decorated the table together. I would like to make a fruit tart for Miss Lily, Angelina said. Can I have a taste? Alice giggled. Then it was time to get dressed. Angelina and Alice had fun choosing dresses and hair ribbons. Soon the guests started to arrive. Hello, Henry, Angelina said. Have a seat. There were games, music, and treats. Everyone was having a wonderful time. Then Miss Lily arrived. What a lovely tea party, she said. I have a surprise for you, Angelina said. She ran to the kitchen to get the tart. She was in such a hurry that she tripped. The tart fell on the floor. Oh no, Angelina cried. Now she had nothing to give Miss Lily. Then Angelina had an idea. She could put on a special dance for Miss Lily. I dropped the tart I made for you, Angelina said sadly. Then she began to dance. She jumped and twirled toward Miss Lily. As she twirled, Angelina picked up the teapot. Then she poured tea for Miss Lily. Wow, Henry said. Angelina bowed, and everyone clapped. Thank you, said Miss Lily. I loved your dance. I have a surprise too, said Mrs. Mouseling. Cookies! This is the best tea party ever, Angelina cheered. The end.
That was such a fun story, Miss Jen.
Thank you.
All right, my tea party story is called Tea Party Rules, and this is by Amy Duckman. Cub was playing in the woods when he smelled something delicious. He followed his nose through the bushes and found cookies and another bear. Can I have a cookie? Cub asked. The bear just stared. Cub tried again. Can I have a cookie, please? The bear just stared. Why won't you answer? Cub cried. He poked the bear. Uh-oh, the bear fell over. Oh, Cub exclaimed. You can't eat cookies. Cub felt sorry for the bear. I'll eat the cookies for you, he promised. Cub was about to take a bite when he heard someone coming. He had no time to hide. Cub pretended to be the other bear. It's time to play tea party, the girl announced. The girl paused. She looked closely at Cub. You're grubby, said the girl. Tea party rule, you must be clean, then we can have cookies. She carried Cub inside and put him in the tub. Cub liked being grubby. He did not want to be clean, but he wanted cookies. When Cub was clean, the girl paused again. She looked very closely at Cub. You're messy, the girl said. Tea party rule, you must be neat. Then we can have cookies. She carried Cub to her room. Cub liked being messy. He did not want to be neat. But he did want cookies. When Cub was neat, the girl paused once more. She looked very, very closely at Cub. Something is still not right, the girl said. Tea party rule, you must be fancy. Then we can have cookies. She pulled out her dress-up trunk. Cub was certain he did not want to be fancy. He wanted to run away. But he really wanted cookies. Perfect, the girl said. You're ready to play tea party. She carried Cub outside. There were the cookies. Now, the girl said, the most important tea party rule is you must eat daintily. Cub couldn't believe it. He was clean, he was neat, he was wearing a dress, and he had to eat daintily. This was too much for Bear, so Cub helped himself. The girl gasped. You are not following the rules, she shouted. Cub did not care. He had cookies. Soon only one cookie was left. The girl sniffed. I really wanted cookies, she said. Cub knew how that felt. He gave the girl the last cookie, but the girl did not eat daintily. She said, we're not playing tea party anymore. Now we're playing bear. Uh-oh. Cub liked this game much better than tea party, and he already knew the rules. The end.
Thank you guys for joining us. We hope you enjoy your tea party.